Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what machines to buy to set up a cloud kitchen biryani business. More importantly, how to upgrade your business when you want to expand your business. Cloud kitchen is a must-watch video for everyone who wants to set up a biryani business. When starting a cloud kitchen biryani business, it is best to have a factory that can produce 135 plates of cloud kitchen biryani per day. If you start with less, you will need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with too much leads to too much unused capacity. Economically, it is wise to start with a capacity of 135 plates per day for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 405 plates per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 270 plates per day by working 2 shifts per day. Once you are fully utilizing 270 plates per day, then consider upgrading to 405 plates per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a cloud kitchen biryani medium business with a business capacity of 135 plates per day, you need a variety of machinery. For processing, you need stainless steel utensils and cookware. Stainless steel utensils and cookware are kitchen appliances made of a strong metal that will not rust. They are used because they are easy to clean and keep the kitchen clean and safe. It costs around 2 lakhs rupees. You will also need gas stove or induction cooktops. Gas stoves and induction cooktops are used to cook food. It costs around 1 lakh rupees. Then you need an oven in cloud kitchen. The oven helps to cook biryani by providing heat. Ovens give biryani a nice crispy top, enhancing its taste and texture. It costs around 1 lakh rupees. Then you need heat-sealed packaging. In the cloud kitchen, heat-sealed packaging is used to keep biryani fresh and safe for delivery. It seals food tightly to prevent leaks and keep air out, helping to maintain flavor and quality until it reaches the customer. Its price is around 2000 rupees. Then you need freezers, mixers, tables and storage racks. It is priced around 1,45,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.